My name is Mike Christians. I am owner of Larry's Repair here in Sheldon, Iowa. My dad started the business in 1974, so he retired probably about 15 years ago, and I kind of took over the reins full-time then. I graduated from NCC from the automotive program in roughly 1988, I believe. So I've been working full-time here ever since. So at Larry's Repair, we kind of do a little of everything, from farm tires, all types of tires, cars, pickups, a lot of automotive, light truck repairs, pretty much anything that pertains to an automobile.